Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for honest and detailed product reviews.
Today, we've got something special for you. The best ceiling fan for your bedroom. The solid wood ceiling fan without light, 52-inch walnut ceiling fan by Zronon. This stunning ceiling fan is making waves in the market, and for good reason.
Let's dive right into what makes it the top choice for your bedroom. First off, this ceiling fan boasts 3 blades made of 100% high-quality natural solid wood. Unlike traditional fans with synthetic blades, these wooden blades not only look fantastic but also provide a delicate and smooth texture. Plus, they're perfect for families with babies, the elderly, or homes undergoing renovations, as they eliminate the risk of formaldehyde pollution. What I love about this fan is its versatility.
It's a ceiling fan without a light, allowing you to change the fan's direction seasonally, all while keeping those pesky flying critters at bay. Whether it's cooling you down during the sweltering summer months or ensuring warm air circulation in the chilly winters, this fan has you covered.
Now, let's talk about energy efficiency.
The solid wood ceiling fan uses an exclusive core technology and boasts A-class energy consumption. It only needs 1 kilowatt-hour of electricity for a whopping 240 hours of work. That translates to a 25% saving on your electricity bill compared to ordinary ceiling fans. And it's powered by a quiet DC motor, which is 75% more energy efficient than traditional AC motors while still providing ample air circulation.
Installation is a breeze with most of the functional parts pre-assembled. You can save money by installing it yourself. It even comes with 3 down rods to accommodate various ceiling heights. Plus, the included remote control lets you set fan speeds, turn the light on or off, and even schedule it to operate for 1, 4, or 8 hours. $169.99 on Amazon.
And guess what?
If you join Prime, you can get it for an even lower price of $152.99. There's also a $50 coupon available right now, so be sure to apply it at checkout. In conclusion, the solid wood ceiling fan without light by Zronon is an absolute game-changer for any bedroom.
With its high-quality wooden blades, all-season comfort, energy-saving capabilities, easy installation, and remote control, it's a steal at this price point.
That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.